I left the garage in a bit of a state when I built Beyond. If you've watched the other videos, you know what Beyond is. It's a little camper van, and this is the state of the garage. We're gonna tidy it all up, and then I'm gonna build a little workshop out of pallets. Charlie's gone outside because she didn't want to see what's behind these cupboards. Probably all sorts of heebie-jeebies. Cleaned the garage all yesterday, and today finished work, and we're going to start the construction of the pallet workbench. I'm going to put on some photos now of roughly what I want it to look like. So yeah, let's give it a go. Can you see the steam? It rained really hard, and now there's actually steam coming off the fence. So I think if I cut these two here and then lay the pallets on top of that, it would be a good height to work with. So I'm going to try that. I'd say that's a pretty good height. That's actually pretty sturdy. And it hasn't even got any cross beams in it yet. Perfect. I want to keep this side because this is going to go down here, and then I'm going to saw this side off. So let's mark that out. I don't know if you can see all the dust particles, but Jesus. But it's off. Cut a bit lower in some places, but it's fine because there's going to be a piece of wood that slaps on top of this anyway. Make a nice woodworking surface. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna keep this side. I quite like it. It's a bit different to the other guys. Hello again. Got a collection of new pallets I nicked from work, but I need to clear some space to put them somewhere. Same thing again, just the second one. Got some juice as well. Wow, it's cold and wet today. But, on a good note, I got these from work. They're all on a pallet, and it's such nice wood, and it's perfect for making the frame for the back of the wall. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. Can't wait. Look how good that is, all for free. All on a pallet, and about good size, good thickness. It's like everything just worked out. Right, with these new beams, it's changing a little bit. So I'm gonna use these beams as the rights, and I'm gonna use these that I'm gonna chop down here, just because I like the e-pile thing, and use them as blocks to then put one of these pieces of wood on the top instead of using like a whole thing. And then I'm gonna use this because I've only got one pallet left, so I'm gonna use this side and this side for the tops up here and up here. But because there's a light there and the garage doors here, I need to shorten all these, so I'm going to shorten it to just under here. Just like that. I'm going to drag the benches out now, attach the sides. I've also cut all these, and then yeah, I'm going to see what I can do with the other two. There we go. It's looking more like it. Obviously it wasn't going to fit Dumbo because it's got that length to get past and that length, so it's 2 lengths out. But I'm just going to screw them on like that. Actually looks pretty cool with the light coming directly above it. I'm super tired, so I didn't really record anything, but all I did was duplicate what I did on that side, on this side. So this is actually the first piece of wood I bought for the workbenches. I've got this one for the tabletop, and this one down here I'm going to use for the back. I'm just going to mark it out from underneath now. So this is where I got up to. It's looking nice now. Still got to chop this down. This isn't secure yet. Nice little added. The trestles fit right between them. Yeah. This is where I messed up with the cutting the boards. I could have made it look so much nicer. I also used one that's got a massive hole in it, but it's alright. I'm just going to cover it up with something like so. And yeah, I'm gonna, this piece also wasn't straight, as you can see. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but it's definitely not straight. So I'm gonna straighten that up probably tomorrow. And then I'm gonna make these like nail compartment things here. And then I'm just gonna make the drawers for here, 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 and here. And yeah, it should be good. Bit dusty in here. So I've cut all these to fit in here. That's how it's gonna go. And then I'm cutting the uprights for them now, like that. And then to attach them, I've got these just to give it a lot more strength. So I've just cut all the support beams. Oh, as you can see. And now I've just got to build them up like Lego. So see how this goes. Yeah. So I'm just attaching this to this and gluing it and then putting it on here. So this is where I've got to. They all have little drawers in them. And this is what I'm going to be using for a drawer front. Something I found on when I was clearing an old house. It's got a nice finish on the top, so thinking I cut it up and place that, put little handle on it. I need to make a screw box compartment for here, which I'm gonna do next time I'm in here. So I didn't record this part, but I did this at work, and it's just them pieces of wood I was talking about. I cut them down and I drilled a 30mm hole in it, so it looked really nice on these, and I fixed them today. I think anyway. Yeah, it's gonna look really good. So now I want to make like a little nail box here. I'm still using this old wood from the shelf. Actual perfect fit. None of that's screwed in, that's all just banged in with a hammer. It's looking good. So this is it all done. Got storage underneath, trestle space, drawers, screw box, and then you can put your tools on there with some nails like I have done there. And yeah. So if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, please ask them. And yeah. And as a wise man once said, cheerio.